Hey everybody, what is going on today? Today, this hour, maybe in the morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, whatever you're going to be doing, you might want to know what the weather's going to be like outside. Now, I'm not talking about that you can't tell from your PC or your smartwatch, or maybe your telephone told you what the weather was. But how about if you're indoors and it feels warm enough, but yet you look at the temperature outside and you say, that seems a lot colder than the difference between where I am now and where I'm going to be. What if I ask my intuition, do I need a sweater? Do I need a jacket? Do I need a scarf, hat, mittens? And you're like, wait a minute. Why would I ask my intuition that? Because it can tell you the answers. It's part of what it's there for. You don't have to have this complicated quantum mathematical equation to be solved. You could just say, well, I see clouds in the sky. I wonder if it's going to rain. Well, in Arizona, if we see clouds, even but dark black clouds, the chances of it raining are pretty slim. However, it did rain today. So you can ask your intuition things like that. So I want you to consider that. Not so much being dependent on it, but what if you only grabbed a light jacket, maybe a hoodie or just a windbreaker, and you went out and you're like, holy moly, that's too cold. And you're late for an appointment, you gotta leave, you can use the heat in your car, but yet you wish you had known that it was going to be colder than it really was. So that's where your intuition is going to aid you. I mean, you could use it for other types of decisions, like, should I go to the grocery store now, or should I go to the grocery store at 3 p.m.? Well, in my region of the world, 3 p.m. is not the best time to be going out on the road. It's part of the workday, the people are ending, and it's a lot more traffic. It's better to go either real early or later in the day. But maybe there's some special at the store that I need to take up on at that moment. Maybe that's when the Girl Scout cookies are out front and when they're in season. You want to check your gut feeling and say, what's my intuition telling me about this? I mean, I only want one item. Is it like Sunday afternoon and there's no one on the road, or is it a good time to go out? So I want you to think about that for the near future. What would you ask your intuition that would make your life easier? Because that's what I think of our intuition as. It's a tool, it's an aid, it's to help us be more well informed so we can make better decisions or to have a smoother life. What if we just bumble around, grab a quick sweater, go out and go, oh, and then we catch cold and then we're upset because we didn't have a warmer wrap on. So that's what I want to leave you with today. Think about even some of the simplest things that you can ask for help. So drop me a line, let me know how this hit with you. If you said, oh my God, too simple, like give us some meat, give me something I can chew on. All right, I like to hear it. Let me know. All right, we'll talk real soon. Bye for now.